What up, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how to work out back and chest in under 3 minutes. Let's get it. First, start off with some type of press. You can do a seated press, you could do push-ups, you could do a dumbbell chest press, but start off with some type of press for the first exercise. And then once you finish your rep count on that first exercise, you're going to go to the second exercise. Here I start off with a seated row. Okay, you can do a bent over dumbbell row. You can do these on your stomach and do back extensions, okay, if you don't have the machine. But seated row is my superset with the press that I do, okay. Always like to start off with the primary, the core muscles first. After that, my second group of exercises, I like to go to the secondary muscles, okay. And this is a chest fly, okay, and I'm going to superset that with a bicep curl. Now, a secondary muscle will be triceps for chest and biceps for back, okay. So understand, we're going to do some type of press and some type of fly on chest and back day. All right, and then I superset that with curls where I twist at the top. Okay, get a good twist and try to twist those pinkies as far as you can inside and then rotate them back. I typically like to start off with 3 to 15 for beginners and possibly 3 to 12 with a little bit heavier weight for more advanced intermediate people. Now, once I finish my first set and I finish my second set completely, I move on to my third set, okay? Pull-ups, okay? Now, on pull-ups for beginners, I would keep it small rep range from 5, maybe even 4 to 3. And then for anything else or anybody else, I would say 10 and up, okay? So do your rep count, and I typically like to superset my back with dips, okay? So when I superset with dips, I like to keep my elbows in, controlled, and go down as far as I can, okay? Stretch those muscles and then rep those bad boys out. You got to understand, dips and pull-ups are very taxing. So this may not be for everybody. That's why it depends on what gym you're at and what type of machine that you're using. The machine that I'm using, I could do assisted or non-assisted, okay? So it just depends on where you're at and what you can do individually. And then when we all finish, we like to check the weight, make sure to see where we at. I'm at that 199, trying to get that 200. But yeah, we almost there. Catch you on the next one. Peace.